I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious noodle broth at home. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a good quality base, whether that's chicken, beef, or vegetable stock, along with fresh aromatics like ginger, garlic, and scallions. These foundational elements are crucial for building a rich and flavorful broth that will elevate any noodle dish you prepare. Let's get started on this culinary journey. Now, let's build those incredible flavors. Begin by gently sautéing your prepared aromatics in a large pot until they become wonderfully fragrant, releasing their essential oils. Next, pour in your chosen stock and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. For an extra layer of depth, consider adding umami boosters like a few dried shiitake mushrooms or a piece of kombu. These ingredients will infuse your broth with a savory richness. The simmering stage is where the magic truly happens. Allow your broth to simmer gently for at least 30 minutes or even longer to fully infuse all the flavors. During this time, remember to regularly skim any foam or impurities that rise to the surface, ensuring a clear and clean broth. Finally, season your broth to perfection with a pinch of salt, a splash of soy sauce, and a tiny dash of sesame oil, adjusting to your preference. To achieve that perfect restaurant-quality broth, strain it through a fine mesh sieve for a beautifully clear and smooth consistency. Give it one final taste and adjust any seasonings as needed before serving. If you have any delicious leftover broth, you can store it safely in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. This homemade broth is versatile and ready to elevate your next noodle dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.